Hey everyone, so what is V4R2 wallet? This is a type of TON wallet. You might see this versioning in TonKeeper or Telegram wallet, and it's like you can be wondering what is that. So basically in TON blockchain, they just have different types of wallet contracts. You can go to their official documentation. And for example, if you look at Ethereum, Solana, there are not different types of wallets, but they do exist in TON blockchain. It's because wallets in TON are made by smart contracts. It's a smart contract run in TON blockchain, which can acceptance and transaction to other wallets, which are also smart contracts. And these smart contracts can be set up in different ways and have different features. So that's why it's a bit more advanced here. Basically, versions starting from wallet V1. This is like meaning V1 R2. So this is just like a naming. It was the simplest version. It allows you to send transaction at the time and doesn't check anything besides your signature as SECNO. The first issue is fixed in V4R2 and V4R3. R letter means revision. Usually revision are just small updates which only add get methods, which allows you to retrieve SECNO from the contract. So just remember that. So this is V4R2 wallet. Then there is V2R2. This is a newer version. Then there is V3. Then finally there is V4. So these are basically all just the versionings of these wallets, and V4 is just basically the latest wallet you have here. So that's just V4R2, which means the version 4 revision 2. I don't exactly know the revision part, but it's basically the latest version of the TON wallet as of right now. It's the most modern wallet version at the moment. It has a functionality of the previous version, but also introduces something very powerful plugins. Basically there are some new coming wallets like W5 and like with a smaller blockchain fees, but it's still coming. So basically V4R2 wallet, it just means this is the most latest version of the wallet you are using. It is recommended to use this one, not V2R2 or not V3R2. These are the previous versions. So then you can use it and you have less bugs and things like that. And and then you just can use it more stably and more confidently. So that's the idea. This is just what you can see here. Also V3R2 is good enough, just V4 is the latest version.